Opening up another one.
I give Rizzo 2 weeks before I find a box in this house.
This is a see what is good in here.
That box.
Oh, okay, this one.
What are you?
Yeah, this one doesn't have lamps, so we're good.
Clothing.
Another clothing.
Jim start off.
Alright, anyway.
One for Irie.
I like how they black out everything.
Ooh. Oh, it's a shirt.
Shirt?
Sure. Alright, Rizzo, try this out. The models. The models. Our models.
Oh, this is a 2XL for kids.
That's perfect too. Oh my god.
Alright.
The models here. 2XL models.
Oh, they're like
What is it?
pasta on everything.
I don't know. Oh, who wants to
Oh,
open
that's
a box?
That
eBay.
looks like a good one.
What is it?
Oh,
eBay.
you want to open it.
Pokemon cards. Jim, Pokemon cards.
What
Let
is
me,
it?
let me check one.
Yeah. Oh, let me show you. Let me show the camera first.
I paid
That was
money
pretty
for this.
cute. Shredded, like all the spice.
Yeah,
Not handy.
the shredder.
Cat, like animal related.
Yeah, cat litter.
Cat litter.
Yeah, they
Perfect.
no way.
It's like organic.
Yeah, this is it.
That's messed up.
They
Shoes.
know a cat. Shoes.
Alright.
Oh, who want to
Big
open?
turn.
He opens socks so nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah. Open
Here,
it.
here, you need shoes.
Give you 2 inch. Give you 2 inch.
Stop.
No, that's like 2 inch.
Oh, that's funny, Irie.
Another
This is
clothes.
so
Yeah.
funny.
Clothes.
Look it up. See how
Oh,
much.
Vito's turn. So
Yeah, we sell clothes. You're.
In front of the camera though. In front
Yeah,
of
they
the
do it in
camera.
front of the one. You know how to do this. You do this all the time.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah, blind
Yeah,
box.
you do.
It is.
Can we blind box lab with
Is there a swim?
Another one.
For swimming?
Oh,
Wait,
wait,
pants.
Pants.
Oh,
Wait a
wait.
Or leggings.
Expired smell.
What's that? Oh my god, Yui, what is that?
Wood. Candles. It's candles.
Right there.
It's candles.
Candle.
It's candle. I said it's candle.
How do you know it's candle?
It looks like candle.
Doesn't look like you know.
Alright, there's something small.
Small packages.
Small package.
Small
man.
packages.
package.
Jim.
Oh, there's probably some wires. Some type of. Oh.
iPhone charger?
Oh, yeah, it's a charger. Some type of charger.
I already have one, but
There's no way. That's so
keep on
stupid.
going.
That's so obvious.
Oh, that thing is so cheap.
Yeah. Who would buy that online? That's like $2 at the basket.
$10 shipping. $10 shipping.
It costs more than that.
Wait, that's no.
Oh,
Amazon
They bought it, then they realized, yo, I pay more shipping.
Oh.
pretty cool.
pocket watch.
Wait, Albert.
Watch.
Is there a picture?
It has a thing on it. It looks old.
Is there a picture?
It looks
What
old.
years?
You can't open it?
Hold on, it's brand ELGIN. It looks expensive. What? I don't know what this is.
It's pink.
Pink. Anyone? Any type there?
LHD. I just opened that whatever that Kiwi Live thing.
A signed hockey book?
Oh, what the hell?
It's depend on the year, but
Oh.
What is that? Give thanks?
the older it is, the more expensive.
Oh, that's how they make it worth your
You might
thing.
get your money back on that one.
Yeah. But
So that Louis Vuitton was a win and that watch is a win.
yeah, everything else, we sell can
Yeah.
Target. Return.
Is it Target?
Yeah, it's Target.
How do you know?
So.
Oh, okay.
Sure, that's fucking.
Yeah.
Oh.
More clothes, more clothes. Anyone.
Maybe that's the
Clothes.
top.
Yeah, there's a top.
Your orange shirt.
Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna wear the hard hat and the thing.
Jeans or jean jacket?
Jeans.
Oh, it's
Damn, that's huge.
VIPG.
Oh, it's Rico.
Jim.
Oh, it's a journal.
Wait, is that?
Oh, but it's already written. You just gotta add your own stuff.
Oh, I think those can go for a lot.
Wait,
It's used. Someone used
let's
it.
see what they say. And so,
And then shoes.
and return the book. And so, and return.
Who's getting
Wait, is
married?
that written? Or else someone wrote it? What size?
That's it.
Visa! Visa is weird with this.
Shoes.
Oh, it's another.
Who, you?
Oh my
It's a
God.
Visa.
Size 7?
Oh, you're gonna wear with the other
There's 7.5.
Bottom. This is the top.
Huh?
That's crazy.
Alright, that's it. No more.
Wait, how much is
How much? I don't know how much.
Wait, what's
7.5.
Why is this
Oh,
stuff
it's
like that?
That's it. No more. Oh.
It's a culture top.
Ornaments. Candle. I don't know why you got a candle. Soap. Journal. Clothes.
That's probably why I don't know it.
Those look like the fake ones you buy from like.
I don't know the
What is that one? Oh,
It could be that. That's it.
that.
It does look
Yeah.
fake, but I haven't seen any openings of the
They must have been.
A cable. Imagine
You want to look
an
basic?
old cable that's like
No,
barely anything.
no, I don't want it. I just